controller.
Oh, okay.
So you can choose which one. Like here's an empty one.
Are they all the same size?
Yeah.
Holy cow, this thing is huge.
See why I wanted to use soft? See this?
Oh, wow.
ERM mod, original.
LA has some of the best elevators in the country, I must say.
Oh yeah.
And Diesel Ducey knows that.
Traction.
It is.
These doors have been sealed.
We'll go up to 2 and get off at 1. This is an awesome elevator. It could be the size of a bedroom, technically.
Test it out. It's almost the size of the bathroom.
I know.
Let's see if this one here.
Okay, I'm gonna get off at 1.